Hi guys, welcome to DevOps School. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about Ansible network modules. Ansible network modules can configure your network state, test and validate existing network state, and discover and correct network configuration drift. After going through this tutorial, I promise you that the concept and understanding of Ansible will be absolutely clear to you. This series divided into multiple parts, therefore subscribe to the channel and follow the playlist.
But before that, let me ask you a few things. Are you dreaming of a career with higher pay and more responsibilities? Or are you ready to take your skills to the next level this year? Then start investing in DevOps School certification level courses which will help you to emerge skills for a wide range of entry level roles and as well as higher potential future positions. But with thousands of courses online and in classroom worldwide, finding the right one for your career goals can be difficult. You can consider our courses like Agile Developer, Agile QA, DevOps Certified Professionals, Site Reliability Engineering, DevSecOps, and Masters in DevOps Engineering, where you will have access to well-structured, easy-to-follow course content that has been developed and will be delivered by industry professionals. You can join on our training programs globally through online platforms, and if you are looking for classroom workshops, then we have regular sessions available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi NCR, Mumbai, and in Pune. Simply compare our many courses, find the one that suits your style and schedule best, and start today.
And how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Not good.
Why?
A throat infection too much. My throat is swelled totally.
Pardon?
My throat is totally swelled.
So will you be able to take the session or we postpone it?
No. Like today, I will tell you like what to do. Like you have installed the virtual machines and all.
I have a Linux laptop.
You have Linux laptop. Okay. So do you have any virtual machines or something?
Nope.
So basically, like I will today explain you about the little bit of the how the architecture we have to do. Okay.
Okay.
Then we can move forward. Okay. So you
All
can
right.
share your side by side, or let me make you presenter.
Okay. Give me a minute. So you want me to share my screen?
Yeah.
Let me see if that can be done. Because the problem is I'm logged in through. Can we do one thing? If how many virtual machines you need?
Basically, Ansible is all about. Let me share my screen with you. Okay. I'll give
Okay.
you what we wanted to do. Okay. Let me open my notepad.
What I can do is I have a Windows laptop as well. I'll install VMware and create a couple of two virtual machines on it.
Yeah, that will be fine. So what we can do basically. So
So you are sharing your screen?
my screen is shared with you, I guess.
Nope, I can't see it.
But my screen is shared from here.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me sort this out. Okay, just bear with me.
Today my BP also reached 162.
Your blood pressure?
Yeah,
That's pretty high.
yeah.
Okay. What? Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's don't continue with the session today. All right.
Today,
I
like I
can.
just, you can share me your number. What I can do,
Okay.
I
Uh-huh.
can provide you what are the things you have to install in your machines. I will share the links with you. Okay, so you can install the CentOS virtual machines. Okay, so CentOS
Mm-hmm.
ISO you can install. Okay,
Yep.
and VMware or VMware is better. Like you can install or Oracle Box, anything you can install. Okay, on the top of that,
Okay.
you need to install 3 virtual machines, maximum 4 up to you. Okay,
Okay.
one machine will be acting as your server, and rest machine will be acting as a client.
Okay.
Okay,
That
uh,
I can do.
okay, the you can do that thing like one that machine, what we call the server machine. You install it as a like a graphical machine. Okay, and the client machine
Mm-hmm.
you can install it as a like a minimal installation.
I'll do that. So what I can do is I have a Linux laptop. I'll use it as a server, and
Yeah.
on my Windows laptop, I'll install 2 or 3 virtual machine with the minimal installation.
Okay, then how you will connect them?
Connection through Wi-Fi.
Okay, so you are making them in one connection through using Wi-Fi only.
I'll do that. That's not a problem. I can
Yeah,
do that.
so you can do one thing. You can apply 2 NIC cards there.
Mm-hmm.
By 2 NIC card, one NIC card will be usually helping you to connect with internet. Okay, and second NIC card will be helping you to install within the local system. I will tell you one thing. You have the Linux system with you, na? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Linux you are using.
I'm using CentOS 7.
CentOS 7. That's good. You can install Word Manager on the top of that. Word
Yep,
Manager.
yep, I can. Yep,
Word
yep. Word manager I can do.
Using the Word Manager only, you can install 2 virtual machines on that particular machine only.
Okay, okay, okay. I can do that.
That,
I
that
can
will,
do KVM.
yeah, KVM machines. Yeah, that will be easy for
Yep,
you also.
yep, yep. That's much better.
Then rest I will tell you tomorrow only.
Okay, okay. Now the
You can,
problem is the problem is in the past also when I did the trainings on Go meeting, my
okay.
Linux laptop starts hanging.
Yeah, I heard
So
about
that
like GoToMeeting is not supporting properly.
yeah, Linux is not. So what I can do is I can use my phone to join the meeting, and meanwhile I'll work on my Linux laptop to do the configuration or whatever the session or the training that need to do.
Yeah,
Will
because
that work?
my sessions will be something like that way. I will not perform any task. I will be letting you to do all the things. Because if you will do the thing, then only you will get the things.
Sure,
Okay.
definitely
So
we can do that.
So I will be dictating from here. I will be explaining you the concept. I will be telling you to do this thing. So you will be doing that thing side by side. One topic one day we will be covering, and we can go forward easily.
No worries. Okay, let me install Word Manager on my Linux laptop, and then we can continue from there. But for today, since you are not well, let's
Yeah.
take an off. And would it be possible to do 1.5 hour session every day? Because I really want to complete this training as soon as possible.
Yeah, definitely. Like 1 to 1, 2:30 we can go around.
Okay, 1.5 hour. So most probably we should be able to done it within 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah, definitely we can do that.
Yeah, since I already have knowledge about Puppet and YAML, so that should be pretty easy for me to understand.
Okay, no issue.
All right.
So
Okay, no worries.
so you can share your number with me. I can note it down. I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
send you
It's a zero +61
+61
49
49
01
01
05
05.
808.
Okay, I can save it as Gagan.
Yep. Just it's a WhatsApp number as well. Just send me a message on WhatsApp.
Gagan.
So yeah, we
I
will
will write
talk. We'll talk. Pardon?
I will write it Gagan, Chandigarh, Australia.
ओके ठीक है
याद रहूंगा.
बस ठीक है बढ़िया
चलो
कोई ना, ਤੁਸੀਂ
मैं
ਆਰਾਮ ਕਰੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ,
हाँ
ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਕੱਲ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਿਰ
हाँ
ਕੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ,
ठीक है।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਓਕੇ।
If you liked our Ansible session so far, please enroll for our channel membership 399 plan to get access of all the parts. Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.